Okay guys, I'm going to give you some key support and resistance levels to pay attention to for Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you my short-term prediction, what I think might play out today. We could have a little bit of upside for Bitcoin. That is possible. This plays along with the DXY and the Dow Jones. By the way, if you want to access all of these charts I'm showing now, you can do that on my website. The link will be pinned in the first comment in the description. So if you watched yesterday's video, I'll put a link up to this now if you want to check it out. I was saying that it's very likely the dollar would come down and find support right at this blue line around 96.39. If you notice, we did come down. We wicked below it. We're below it right now, so we'll have to see how this plays out. But again, I do expect some slight upside in the markets, which means we'll have a little downside for the DXY and possibly some upside for Bitcoin. But I'm expecting potentially the dollar to come back up and hold support here at 96.41. Remember, if the dollar starts dropping, that's going to be bullish for Bitcoin. If the dollar holds support, starts pushing back up, that's going to be bearish for Bitcoin. The Dow Jones, so guys, if you watch yesterday's video, if the Dow pushes up, I do not see us going higher than 35,578. That would be an ideal point to short the Dow. Remember, most of the indices move together. So again, if we push up, I'm expecting possibly no more than 1.30%, which means at that point I'm expecting the markets to start coming back down. The markets come down, that will be bearish for Bitcoin, that will be bullish for the DXY to potentially push up. And I can tell you right now on this chart, your key support level that needs to hold, which is somewhat bullish right here at 38,500. As long as we're above that and markets are pushing up and the DXY is coming down, yes, you can expect some upside, but I do think the ultimate top before we drop is going to be around 39,900-ish. This line, this yellow line, has been resistance. This is where we topped out back here. Well, I have to scroll a good ways. This is where we topped out at 67,000 on the 20th of October. That is that same trend line. So if we do get, we're above this support right now at 38,500. So again, if we push up, and notice that this was previously support. It is now resistance. This is a daily candle, so it's possible we just hold here for a while. Maybe the next daily candle we push up to 39,900, but I do think 39,000 will be the top because I'm expecting the markets to top out soon and come back down, which is going to cause Bitcoin to come down. So we'll just see. We'll have to see how this plays out. Again, we'll see if the DXY holds support and pushes up. The Dow Jones, let's see if we get rejected at 35,578. You can see that we do have some. We're in the green right now. After market trading, the Dow's up around close to 90 points. Again, if the markets start pushing up 200, 300, 400 points, you probably want to get pretty bullish on Bitcoin. But I do think that we will get rejected at 35,578. So it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. Let me give you some key support resistance levels to pay attention to. So this is the H1 chart. If we do push up, your next likely point to get rejected or put in a short will be right up to around 40,314. Your current support on this chart is right here at 38,444. Your next support will be this trend line right here. This has been a lot of support, so this is another one to watch, right around 37,378. Your next strongest support, this is double support, great point to put it in long, 36,332. This is the C1 chart. Let me zoom in on this just a bit. So your current support right now is right here at 37,737, and then again, this is in confluence with that chart. So, and this is on the 3 hour. So if we start moving kind of sideways, this is around 39,900. Also, you had this moving average that's coming right to this point. That's more confluence for a point to get rejected. So seeing the C1 chart shows 39,900, and seeing that this is also in confluence with the G1 chart around 39,900, great point to short. And because I expect the Dow Jones to get rejected at this point, a little bit of upside for Bitcoin, then we get rejected and everything starts dropping again. So that is my take on how this is going to play out today, and we'll see what happens. Guys, just pay attention to the DXY and pay attention to markets today. And if you want to access these charts, website's opticalcrypto.com. Link will be pinned in the first comment and description. Guys, that's it. I'm out. Trade safe, trade smart.